Hi people, today I want to show you how I sculpt mouth inside Zbrush, so stick around. First thing that I do is I just grab them standard and I do the separation between two lips, like that. Sometimes I increase the draw size and then I just repeat the same thing. After that I just outline the bottom lip, and while pressing Alt I do the same for the top lip. After that I just smooth out everything, while I keep this area untouched, so I try to be careful not to smooth that part. And I'm gonna add chin just for the sake of this tutorial, so I'm gonna use inflate and quickly draw one here. I'm gonna use them standard again, but I'm gonna lower down the intensity and just make this area slightly more pronounced. Now we can increase the amount of polygons. So right now we have 43,000. I'm gonna just hit divide, and now we can add more clay on top of our bottom lip, like that. Again, I can smooth it out. And now it's the time to add a little bit more volume to the top lip. So just do this, and after that I add a little bit more here. Again, I'm gonna smooth everything out. And for the bottom lip I'm gonna use two elliptic shapes, like that, and also I'm gonna smooth them out. I'm gonna go back to them standard and I'm gonna increase the intensity a little bit and make this line more pronounced. Curve a little bit here, and again I'm gonna use Alt and outline the top lip, and same for the bottom lip, but bottom lip goes not from here, it goes a little bit inside, like that. I'm gonna grab move tool and now I'm just gonna make this shape slightly better, more curved, like that. So now we can start adding more stuff. Only thing left is this area. It is usually connected to the rest of the face, so we're gonna just smooth out this part. And now we can just grab a move tool and shape our lips however we want. So if you want to make them more like this, wider. Can add more details, so I'm gonna divide it one more time, use them standard and just start adding cracks. And also there's one more thing that I do, and I usually do that only for 3D printing. And if you want, you can make them puffier, so you can just use inflate. Be careful. That's it. I really hope you guys have learned something. If you did, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that, and hit the bell next to it so you can get notified whenever I'm releasing a new video. This video is sponsored by my Patreons, so if you want to become one, just check the link in the description, and I really hope I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.